What's going on, everybody? Adventure Addicts here, and today we're just going to talk about a little bit of a mod I just ordered for my car. Nothing crazy, nothing performance based, more for the looks of the outside of the car. I'm getting LED crypto bulbs, that's what they're called, on the Lighting Trends website, and these bulbs are basically normal white LED lights that give you the access to multiple colors. So you could do red, green, blue. It's another system called their Demon Eye. I'll link all this stuff in the description below. I'll also show you pictures throughout the video. But what I specifically am getting is just a bulb that has a Demon Eye chip. So it allows me to use the different colors and stuff like that. So basically it comes with two bulbs. Price point's a little expensive, but I know one of the guys that worked there, and he hooked me up. I think I paid about $140 something with shipping and everything. But it comes with two LED bulbs that are both 6000K white brightness, which is ridiculous. They're fan cooled, and yeah, it comes with a Bluetooth wireless remote as well. And from what I've seen and all the reviews I read, the thing looks amazing. The thing works flawlessly compared to any other bulb in the market. I should be getting these in about, I would say today is Friday. I think I should be getting it Monday or Tuesday the latest. So I'm not sure if they ship on Sunday or not. If they do, then I should be getting them between Sunday and Monday. There will be an install video and also a performance video of showing them how they work. It's very simple in this car. Everything should be plug and play. Just going to connect the controller itself to the battery. Well, in the Challenger, the battery's in the trunk, so we'll be connecting it to the jumper cables in the front, the jumping posts. And that's basically it. Stay tuned and look forward to seeing my install and demonstration video. Alright, thank you.